given to me, but during my letter of intent, I mentioned that I will never be available every Saturday. No, pero binigay kasi sa akin to because I have other school to attend to.
Prank yan, sir. No?
Nasa, hindi kasi ako ngayon sa pamatasan ng pamilya or master's degree, which is my dream talaga. No? Okay, so, but I don't know, I'm not sure if this subject will be taken over by Sir Layu. Hindi ko alam kung si Sir Layu, etc.
Sana si Doc Noel.
Ano nga to? Si Noli.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, but then we're going to have first the class orientation and the introduction to the lesson para kung sino man yung mag-handle next Saturday. So, expect nyo next Saturday, hindi nyo na ako makikita.
We.
Hindi ko na rin kayo makikita. So,
Prank na naman yan, sir.
ayan. So, hindi, totoo yun, seryoso, hindi ko sinasadya. At hindi rin naman lang sinasadya na mailagay kayo sa schedule. Lahat ng BA may subject ng franchising, kayo financial, HR, at saka kayo, MM. No? Okay, saka yung TAM, meron din. No? Okay, so let's have the course description. So, what is this subject all about? I know that you are familiar with the word franchising, franchise. You always hear that so many times, but then, of course, you have your own description and definition. But as far as business is concerned, we are going to propound our definition and the application of the term in terms of business. No? Okay, may tinatawag din tayong franchisor and franchisee. So, tingnan natin sino si franchisor at sino si franchisee. Okay? So, maybe yung two words na yun ay hindi nyo pa narinig unless bigay kayo kasasabi ko lang. Okay, but definitely those two terms pertain to an individual or person. But they are quite different from one another. Okay ka lang, boy? May napapagod ka, boy. Okay, wala naman na. Okay, parang bumunti kayo. Parang bumait kayo. Hindi kayo ganito ka-behave. First day kasi, no? Sabagay, this is the first and the last. Kaya epic tong araw na to. Lahat ng klase ko ngayong Sabado, first and last. Buti na lang, hindi pa nag-umpisa sa kabila. Kaya, sige, papapasukan ko pa kahit isang beses. No? Pero, isang beses lang. Okay, so right now we have 25. Enroll ba kayo lahat? Ay, hindi ko na titignan yung registration form, no? Except si Roland, nandito ba?
Wala pa po.
Sino sulat kay Roland? Ikaw, no?
Hindi po, sir. Wala po,
Uy,
ballpen,
ano
sir.
ako?
Ano po,
Nasaan?
Late lang daw po, sir.
Pag wala, ibuburahin natin na.
Makawan naman.
Kasi ito-turn over yung attendance nyo sa magiging next nyo. Teacher. Okay, so what is this subject all about? It's all about the stupidity and it's all about the franchising socio-economic impact. Number 14, social responsibility, business ethics. And number 16, number 15, etc. Final exam. Okay? So yan yung mga darating na pagsubok sa mga darating na panahon. Ang mga bituin ay gawin lamang natin. Kaya dapat ibalik ko sa mikapang magiging bituin na mabuti. Okay? Now, let's go with our first lesson for today, which is all about the franchising. The introduction to franchising. By the way, do you have any question? Reaction, comment, violent reaction? Wala naman? Okay lang? Tuloy lang tayo as wala? Habang kayo ka pa, di ba? Kasi wala. Alam niyo naman ang memory niya. Itabi lang. 50 MB lang ang kaya. Pag sumobra, mag-short circuit na siya. Okay? So, before we start, let's have first an activity. No? So, I will divide you class. Hindi mo nagawa sa na. I will divide the class into two groups. O, syempre, pag-iwalay kayo. Okay. Sir, saan po gusto? Sir Lita? Dito, dito.
Dito, nandito sa Eddie.
Sir Lita, kung saan may alam, doon ako. Iba ka, boy! Wala, o, nag-decide si Eddie. Sige. Sir, ito kasi ang pasensya ka na hindi ko. Sa akin ako mag-explain. Ma'am, ikaw? Sunod dito? Oo, nakatigil ka na eh. Kasi dito ka na. Sir, dito ka na. So, si Sir, si Ma'am, si Linda, kayo ay group B. Kayo ay group A. Okay. So, magbato-bato, mix mga ayun dalawa. Isa lang.
Tapos may lights na.
Isa suntok. Ayaw yung bansa. Ay! Sino nanalo? Okay, sabay, mukhang talo to. Kasi yung reaction nyo. Okay, so dahil kayo nanalo, kayo ang unang pipili. So ano ba yung activity natin? The activity is called the logo quiz with mystery box. Nagawa ko na ba? Napagawa ko na sa inyo to?
Hindi pa.
Hindi pa. Okay, kahit naman napagawa ko mo. The logo.
Hindi kita si sir.
The logo of the business. Legal business. So, chef, baka naman masabihin mo kasi eh, no? Naisipin ko na, baka masabi niya, eh, delikado tayo. Okay, so, what you're going to do is you're going to choose a letter, and since group A is the winning group, they will be the first group who will pick a letter. For each letter, there is a corresponding company logo, and you have 5 seconds to answer. For 5 seconds, you can work with your groups to somehow ask them if they have knowledge or if they are normal, no, for today. And then, whatever will be the first logo that you're going to say, that will be your final answer. If the first group or the group failed to get the correct answer, the other group will have they can steal the round. And if you got the correct answer, we will proceed with the next stage of the game, which is the mystery box.
May
In the
prize
mystery
yan.
box, definitely there is a box, a mysterious box. Okay. And then you're going to decide whether you're going to keep the box or give the box. So you should be very careful because what's inside the box could be a poison.
Taga-video lang ako.
Tulungan mo siya ako na magbibideo.
Ayoko, ako na.
Sabihin naman kayo mag...
La 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 la.
Madali na naman yung mga logo. So guys, bawal kayong mag-ano ha, huwag kayo maingay kapag sasagot sila dahil sila unang sasagot.
Julie Bay.
Okay,
Julie.
so please choose
Hello.
the letter. Letter? J.
J daw,
Okay,
J.
tabi, pag napili na yung letter,
Bawal na.
na piliin.
Ano, J? Ano, J? Ano, J?
Ano? Kahit ano.
Okay, group A and group B. So the first letter is letter J. So pipili ako ng, pag pili ko lalabas na din yung logo.
Yun.
5, 4. Okay, very good. That is Volkswagen. No?
Sir, puro international. Wala kami alam dyan eh.
Brand, ha?
Wala akong alam sa ganun, Begaw.
Original na Bumblebee.
Alam mo yun, Ray. Alam mo yun, ah.
Hindi ko alam yan, boy.
Alam mo yun.
Mga nakita niyo sa movie, mga parang
Uy, sumagot ka naman. Pat, ikaw ang alas namin dito.
That is Volkswagen. Okay? Since you got the correct answer, now, what are you going to do with the box? Are you going to give?
Amin na lang.
Alam mo, Ray.
Are you
Kurt,
going to
malay
give
mo,
or
more
give the
points.
box? 5? Ha? Give. Is that your final answer? Okay.
Ah!
So, guys, ibinigay nila sa inyo ang laman ng box. Meaning to say, whatever will be inside the box will be allotted na para sa inyo. And, ang laman ng box, natalanggihan ng Group A at ibinigay sa Group B. Ay, walang iba, kundi. Yeah. By the way, class is the first.
Ano ba yan? Ano ba yan, sir? Pinakabahan na kami.
Letter J na tinanggihan ng Group A, ang laman ng box. By the way, the decision is group decision naman.
Pabitin.
Baka kasi sisihin niyo si Sir, iba na siya pakilala. Iba na siya pakilala. At ang laman ng box ay... Are you going to keep or give the box?
Tapos 1,000 pala laman. Aray mo.
Five.
Minus yan, Noy.
Give the box.
Pili ko minus yan, sir.
Give.
Okay lang, basta wala sa
Oh,
relax.
dapat pwede mo
Sige, mamigay tayo din. Give the box, mamigay din tayo. Mamigay.
Kukunin na tayo ni Lord.
Huwag na, kunin nyo na, kunin nyo na. Swapang tayo eh.
Swapang.
Oh.
Kahit kayo bala.
It's zero. What's the final answer? Give. Final answer yan. Okay, guys.
Ah!
So, hindi ka tulad nyo, kinitila yung box. Which means,
Swapang daw, sir.
saan pupunta ang laman ng box? Consistent ko. So, guys,
Tapos
ang naman yung
minus.
box na pinili nyo na give
Kasalanan ni Patrick yan.
ay walang iba, kundi sa letter O,
Ah!
ay
Sipat kasi eh.
sa mga maniwala sinabi ko. Okay, letter M. Okay, letter M, ito po ang logo. Five. Fingers.